I found the best way to feel great. Forever's aloe vera gel has changed my life, and it can help you too. It's the stable, pure juice you need.
I've been diving into the world of aloe vera gel drinks lately, and let me tell you, they're a game changer. First off, aloe vera is packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a powerhouse for hydration. It's not just a pretty plant. It's got antioxidants that help fight inflammation and boost your immune system. When you sip on aloe vera gel, you're not just quenching your thirst. You're also giving your digestive system a little love. It can help soothe your stomach and even improve digestion. Plus, it's super low in calories, so it's a guilt-free refreshment. And the best part? You can find it in so many flavors. From classic aloe to fruity blends, there's something for everyone. Just make sure to check the label for added sugars. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing drink, grab an aloe vera gel drink and enjoy all those health benefits while you sip.